crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
Memories that so dream when the day is through. Dream and they might come true. Things never are as bad as they seem. So dream, 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 dream when the day is through. Dream and they might come true. Things never are as bad as they seem. So dream, dream, dream.
In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they say.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pastel, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Excuse me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. That's amore.
When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
That's amore.
Bells will ring,
Ding-a-ling-a-ling,
ting-a-ling-a-ling.
and you'll sing Vita Bella.
Vita Bella, hearts will play.
Tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella.
Lucky fella.
Now it's time to clean our Vinny up, and the way I do that is you have to scrape around the parts where you don't want the paint, and I use a little bit of X-Acto knife here to do that, and you'll see it works well. And I'm gonna take the paper out now so you can see them a little bit better also. And this only takes a little short time. It's fun part for me, because I can really do a little bit of tweaking. Sometimes you have to repaint things and that. So like my little bee over there, I might have to tweak him a little bit. But for now, we just want to go around the whole design and try to scrape it down where you think it doesn't look good. You want to try to make this look very natural. So around the fingers is a good way. The brush on glass sometimes isn't able to do it like on a canvas. So we'll get this done. And then after that, I just sealed the painting. When I know it's done and I'm not gonna add any more paint to it, I take my sealer, which I use is Mod Podge, and I'll show you that in a second. And you wait till this paint is dry. I suggest you wait probably at least a couple of hours before we come back, and we'll do that. I'll show you then. You want to make sure your paint's dry, unless it'll take it off. What I do is I paint that Mod Podge on thin. I try not to make it too thick. And then we pop it in the oven at 220 degrees, and I keep it in there standing for it to set for about no longer than 10 minutes. You can even do 8 minutes. It sets it. These paintings are obviously, you can see, hand painted. You cannot put them in a dishwasher. Even when they're sealed, you can rinse them lightly under warm, sudsy water, and if necessary, just run them under the water, and they should last you for years. And people really enjoy receiving these. There's so many things you can do with these little guys. Like this one, I tried to take the person something that they relate to, and add it into the painting. Vinny's wife I'm doing next, I'm going to show you, and she is, you don't want to break it like that either. She's a golfer, so I'm adding a golf club into her picture, and I'm trying to make her outfit something that she would perhaps wear on the golf course. So they're fun. You can do all kinds of things with the paintings, and it makes that person much more relatable. When all is done, I like to sign the bottom of the glass. I want to hopefully keep you in the picture here. Right on the bottom, I write my Lulu on there. So that's nice. It shows people that they are real paintings and not produced somewhere. For the legs, just bring it down evenly and so you can tell that there's two legs there. That's another thing that makes the paintings really cute. A lot of time with the paintings, I put bling on them. You can see I have different gems. I use a gem tack, and that sticks them well. And again, you can put those right in the oven. I Mod Podge right over them so they get nice and securely stuck to the glass. And that's the basic of these glasses. I'm going to be introducing other glasses to you that I've done. I love painting on all kinds of surfaces, not just glass. Another one I'm going to show is on ocean stones. I do portraits. Many people have ordered their paintings and pets on ocean stones. I don't like to do people too much on them because unless I have a large stone, I usually paint on a stone that's about the size of the inside of your palm of your hand. They're heavy also, so you don't want it too big. Although I have painted people outside stones that they put in their gardens or decks. They use memorial stones for pets. You can do the person's pet on one of those. Those are nice too. There's many things you can do with painting. I painted on mirrors. That's another nice portion to do. I have small mirrors. In fact, I have a tutorial I'm going to be showing you that I did for Summon. It was a little bit longer video because there was something like 5 people within that painting. But it did come out nice, and you had a reflection that you normally don't have when you're painting on plain glass. The mirror reflection worked well. So thank you very much for coming to my site, and I hope you like my work, and I hope you decide to take on other videos of mine with lessons and anything I can teach you I might have left out, or you have any questions, please feel free to write me and let me know, and I'll answer it right away. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.